Everything moved at a slower pace now. Which was okay, because I never felt like running anymore. I was tired all the time. I didn't feel like playing anymore. Not even with Horse Dog.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. Если бы не
okay, boy?
твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделал
Bill?
последний вздох. И звезды мирно.
Everyone was so sad. Doodle Dog. Boss Dog. Huh?